Introduction to sets. Joel's mother asked him to tidy up his room and ensure that he puts everything in its proper place. Joel decided to put all the toys in the toy box, his clothes in his drawer, and the books and pencil on the shelf. When Joel separated these items, he formed three different groups, which we call sets. A set is a collection of objects that have something in common. So we can say that the toy box that having the toys was one set, a set of toys. The drawer which having the clothes is a set of clothes. And the shelf that has the pens and the pencils and the book is one set, and we can name it a set of school materials. The objects in a set is called a member of the set or an element of a set. So we have ball being a member of the set, teddy bear being a member of the set, the controller being a member of the set, and the truck being a member of the set. We can define a set by simply describing the content of the set or the elements or the members that's within the set, or we can be asked to list the elements of the set, and then we enclose this within curly brackets. So when we're asked to describe a set, we are going to describe the common thing that connects its members. In this example, we have socks and pant. It means if I have to describe this set, it will be the set of clothing. So I can put curly brackets, clothes, end of my curly bracket. If I'm asked to list the members of a set, we simply write down each element in the set and we separate it with a comma. So I can list the members of this set by simply saying curly bracket, socks, comma, pants, because these are the elements that is within the set. Commonly, we use a variable to represent a set to make it easier to refer to that set later. To name a set, we simply use a capital letter. So for this example, because it's a set of school materials, I can choose to name this set S, representing school materials. You can be asked to determine the number of elements within a set. And if that's the case, you simply count the members within the set. So, to represent members or the number of elements in a set, we simply use the notation n brackets or parentheses, the set name, and then equal to the number of elements. So, for example, the set name for this set is T. So we put n, put it in bracket, T for the set name, and if we count the number of elements within the set, we realize that we have only 4 members of the set. So we said that is equal to 4. This we call cardinality of a set. The symbol E means is an element of. So when you're asked or you're given a set notation and you see the symbol E, it means element of. So I can say ball is an element of the set T, or I can say truck is an element of the set T. So we have the member, which is ball. We have the symbol E for element, and we have the set name T. The curly bracket means is a set of. That is why when we are listing elements or we're describing elements of a set, we enclose them inside of curly brackets to signify is a set of. We can also say the set T equals to the set of, which is the curly brackets, toys. Let's do a quick practice. So we have this set. the name of the set is N, and it has elements or members 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if you're asked to describe the set N, what can you say about the set? Well, the set N have numbers, but what type of numbers that is inside of this set? So we say the set N, so we always have the set name first, is equal to curly brackets, and we can say numbers between or numbers from 1 to 5. So that is the description of the set. It has natural numbers from 1 to 5. What about this? List the elements of the set. Remember, when we're listing elements of a set, we're going to enclose it inside of curly brackets and separated by a comma. So the set N is equal to curly brackets, the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these are the members of the set. List the number of elements in a set. Remember, the set notation tells me I have the small n, parentheses, the set name is equal to, and then we have the number of elements. So in this set, we have 5 elements within the set. Remember, the greatest factor for success is self-esteem. Believing you can do it, believing you can achieve it, believing you deserve it. See you in the next video.